Our today's guest is Anuradha Palakurti. She is an Indo-American singer. She has worked predominantly in Telugu film industry, the Bostonian calling her the Nightingale of Boston. Recently, she bagged the Radio Mirchi Award for the Best Independent Music category on the title track of her album Jaan Meri, which was released in March 2019. The album was produced under the banner of Jojo Production, which she owned. So, welcome to BTC Anuradha.
Thank you, Razia.
So, tell me a little bit about your childhood. How was it?
How was my childhood?
Hmm.
Very happy childhood. I grew up
Hmm.
in New Delhi, so I was surrounded by people from all, it was a multicultural city, so people come from all over India. So it was very nice growing up in New Delhi.
Wonderful. So, do you have any embarrassing moment as a child?
Embarrassing moment as a child.
Hmm.
There are many.
Many. Would you like to share one at least?
Uh, sure. I think I was always singing.
Hmm.
So I have one particular embarrassing moment when I was singing was I burst into tears. So I
Oh.
think I get very emotional when I sing. So even growing up, I remember in high school, there were certain songs that were more emotional than others. So
Oh,
I would start
wonderful.
crying, and then people would, friends would tease me about that.
So wonderful. Okay, so who are your musical mentor?
Oh, I have so many gurus.
Hmm.
My gurus. Before that, my parents, of
Hmm.
course.
Of course.
My mother had a very sweet voice. I get the voice from her, my
Hmm.
talent from my parents. So I'm eternally grateful for that. And of course, my teachers. Um, Padma Lakshmi was one teacher. She lives in India. And then my guru Geeta Murali, who passed away, and my current guru Aarti Ankali Kattikere. So I owe everything to them. And apart from these gurus who I've learned from, there are of course singers um, in the
From
world,
Bollywood, of course. Yep.
from Hollywood, from the Western world. बहुत हैं, लता जी हैं, आशा जी हैं, किशोर दा हैं, मोहम्मद रफ़ी साहब हैं,
So,
अनगिनत हैं.
ungiven. Of course. Okay, so when did you decide to go back on stage?
It was around 2010 when a daughter of a friend of mine, her name
Hmm.
is Sophia Jain, Manisha's daughter, she wanted me to sing for her dance senior project, her
Hmm.
classical dance in high school, Andover
Hmm.
School. And that was the first time I went on stage to sing for a classical dance show. And then slowly I started singing for different organizations. So I think it was around 2010 or 11, something like that. I started coming out and singing in public.
Wonderful. So you have entered an extremely competitive market.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
Mm-hmm.
where do you see yourself in the competition?
Oh my God. I would think I'm not actually competing, first of
Hmm.
all, but
Hmm.
you are right. It's a very competitive market. There is so much talent in the
Hmm.
world, especially India. So I really don't know how to answer your question. I'm just pursuing this for my own gratification. As a lover of music and a singer, it
Hmm.
is for my own self-realization. So I guess every time I perform and do a show, I'm competing with myself. And of course,
Wonderful.
there are so many mentors and so many singers out there who are brilliant. So I keep trying to learn something from every experience and every singer.
Wonderful. Very genuine answer. So let's go to little bit humor side.
Mhm.
Choose one, cake or pie.
Cake,
Oh, you love cake. Okay. And holiday or Super Bowl?
holiday.
Really?
My family would kill me.
Unexpected answer
Super
actually.
Bowl is a holiday.
I was accepting Super Bowl. I was expecting Super Bowl,
I know.
but it's okay, no problem. So, if you would go on exotic holiday, where would you like to go?
Oh, somewhere very warm,
Somewhere.
probably like Jamaica.
No Boston Thund.
Boston, home is always the best
Yeah,
place.
of course, of
My
course.
children call me a hermit.
Okay.
I think I'm very happy at home. So even staying home indoors with family and friends is a very big holiday for me.
Of course, of course, of course. Okay, so if you were given a minute at slot during the Super Bowl, what would you fill it with?
A minute
A minute in Super Bowl
to
to
sing.
honors. Why not?
If I was given a slot, you mean to come out in front of the public?
Whatever you have 1 minute in Super Bowl on a big screen, what
Oh,
would you like to say?
oh my God. That is
I
a
know Prashant is always a big crazy fan of Super Bowl, so
go Patriots. What else?
okay.
Okay.
All right, all right, okay. Let's move on. So, do you believe in love at first sight?
I believe in a version of love at first sight. I do. I think I believe in like very much at first sight, and love comes later. I
Okay.
always believe that.
So, do you know someone who has love at first sight?
Yeah,
Like,
probably me. Yes,
probably
like
me.
very much, and a lot of uh, I think love the so-called love at first sight stories. I know many.
Yeah, okay. Would you like to share some, one or two,
I
at
mean,
least
my
one?
parents, my sister-in-law, my children, all
I'm
married.
not talking about, I'm not talking about family love.
Oh, you mean friends?
Yeah. Yes, I'm not talking about crush.
Crushes.
Yes, who is the celebrity crush actually?
For me?
For you, or,
Oh gosh, I
yeah.
don't I don't think I had a yeah, probably Amitabh Bachchan was the only one I really liked. But it was more like his acting skills.
Yeah,
It was the role he played more than himself. It
correct.
was, Vijay in this
Yeah.
one, and Vijay in that one, probably.
जहाँ हम खड़े होते हैं लाइन में इनसे शुरू होती
Ah,
है
wait.
things like that.
It was not
Okay,
the actor. I think it was the role.
okay, all right. So let's see, move on. Say, describe Prashant Palakurti in 2 words.
Oh my God. Compassionate, generous.
Generous. Bilkul. Very true, very true. And what was the last gift you gave to Prashant?
Last gift. अभी तो पोंगल बना रही हूँ. पता है?
Anything you remember is okay. Last week, 2 weeks ago, or a month ago.
Haircut. I gave him a
Haircut.
haircut.
Yes. See, in lockdown, you did a great job in that. Okay.
Yes.
Haircut for Prashant.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what projects are you currently working on besides cutting hair of Prashant?
There are many. अभी एक गाना बनाया था for the healthcare.
Yeah, COVID par, yes, yes. Tell,
Right.
tell me about that, how it, the idea came in your mind and you started working, and बहुत जल्दी से बन गया था ना, it's really very soon. Yeah.
Exactly. वो idea तो सबको ही आ रहा था. We were only talking about healthcare workers. हमारे बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं जिनके बच्चे काम कर रहे हैं, doctors, and every day they work with COVID patients. So my heart went out to them, and I thought हमारे ही community में कितने सारे doctors हैं. बचपन से हम सुनते आते हैं. Even my parents, they wanted me to. My father-in-law was a doctor. तो मैंने कहा हर family में एक doctor है, और ये लोग, they are the ones who are actually out there now, who have stepped up and who are performing their duty to its fullest capacity. And I wanted to show some form of a tribute, or to say thanks, or just to highlight that, bring it out कि हमारे community से कितने लोग हैं जो United States में काम कर रहे हैं. And that was the reason. तो iPhone में recording की, फिर फिर असुनैना ने एक गाने के लिरिक्स बदले, उसके शब्द उसने अपने बोल डाले उसमें, ओरिजिनली बाय मजरूर सुल्तानपुरी।
Yeah.
कमलेश ने उसकी धुन चेंज की, उसको और भी उसने चेंज किया, और फिर उसको मिक्सिंग एंड मास्टर किया विजय दयाल ने, और 1 हफ्ते में काम हो गया। और सारे
Exactly.
फोटोज भेजे यहाँ के डॉक्टर्स ने, उनकी तो मैं पीछे पड़ गई थी, रात रात को उनको, बट वो लोग बेचारे, they were doing more important things than sending photographs to me. So I managed to get some photos. I would have loved to get at least 100 more.
Wow.
Just shown their faces कि कितने लोग हैं. 8% of doctors in United States,
Yeah.
doctor population, are from the Indian community.
So this was beautiful. It came beautiful actually. It came beautiful and people loved it. All right, let's move on. We have only last two. My show is 12 in 10. So this is last two question. What is the first thing you do when you get home from a trip?
First thing I do when I get home from a trip, actually I make some chai.
Chai.
My baby, say hello to my family who is at home. सबको देखो एक बार, और फिर चाय बनाओ,
Chai.
चाय पियो, और पजामास में चेंज हो जाओ, and
Easy.
I love it.
Okay. So my last question is of today's interview is, what advice would you like to give your granddaughter?
My granddaughter. Oh my God. I would not give her any advice.
Not think about it yet.
सारे एडवाइस तो उसके पेरेंट्स देंगे, या मेरा बेटा और बहू, या बेटी और दामाद। मैं तो सिर्फ उनको स्पॉइल करने वाली हूँ। स्पॉइल।
So नानी दादी यही करती हैं. All right. So I have it's not my kind of question, but I'm asking all celebrities, little funny, gossip, based on gossip. So here is for you. Last question of today's. As I heard that Anuradha owned 127 pairs of shoes. Is that correct?
No, not really.
It's not really?
No, not at all.
Gossips. So how many you have?
सारी उससे ज्यादा ही होंगे, लेकिन
सारी तो I know, सारी तो I believe it. Shoes की बात बताइए.
Shoes, how many I have?
हाँ. If not 127.
I have enough to wear with, every color.
Every color.
But having said that, I only wear the same shoe आजकल for everything. Same pair of sandals and shoes for everything. आजकल पैर दुखते हैं, ankle दुखता है. Just, अभी कौन जूते देखता है? That kind of thing. जूते कौन
देखते हैं लोग. That's why gossip created.
ठीक है, मैं आपसे ध्यान से पहनूंगी, रज़िया.
Exactly. Okay, so this our question. Would you like to say anything to the community and people who are listening you? Any message, any wish you want to?
I cannot say more than what is already being said. I wish our healthcare workers the best of luck. I hope Lady Luck watches over them. God blesses them, keeps them safe. Thanks to all the grocery store workers, all the retail workers, delivery people. ये लोग जो बाहर जाते हैं, हमारे लिए जो काम कर रहे हैं, हमारे लिए जो कर रहे हैं, वो they are our army. So I wish them the best. And please, everybody, stay home. Do not rush to get out. And Razia, what a good job you are doing. Thank you so much for calling me on your.
Thank you.
I also want to say a special thanks to all the ladies in our community who are busy sewing masks, collecting food. सब करे, बहुत काम करें हमारे community. So big thanks to them.
Okay, thank you so much for giving me time, Anuradha.